Dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Lidra Z School, Jhansi. In this video, I am explaining you some questions related to the chord of a circle. Question number 1 is, chords AB and CD are equal. You can see in a circle there are two chords AB and CD, both are equal. Angle OBA equals to 55 degree. Angle OBA in triangle OAB is 55. We have to find angle COD. It means the central angle by another chord in triangle COD. We have to find out angle COD. Watch, taking triangle OAB, we can see that OA equals to OB, both are radii of the same. Therefore, if the radii are equal to each other, then this triangle becomes an isosceles triangle, so the base angles are equal. Therefore, angle OAB will also be equals to angle OBA, which is 55 degree. Now, taking this triangle, sum of all the three angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. So, angle AOB will be equals to 180 minus sum of the given two angles. So, 180 minus 55 plus 55 equals to 110. 180 minus 110 equals to 70 degree. Now, this central angle AOB has come 70 degree. Now, we will take both the triangles and we will prove these triangles congruent to each other. Very simple to prove congruent. OA equals to OC, OB equals to OD, as all are radii, so they are equal to each other, and chord AB equals to chord CD, which is already given in the question. Therefore, both the triangles are congruent to each other by side. Therefore, angle AOB is 70 degree, which we have calculated. So, angle COD also equals to each other by CPCT. So, angle COD also 70 degree. Another question is, O is the center of the circle. In this circle, O is the center. There are four chords CD, DE, EF and FG. All these four chords are equal to each other. One of the chord CD is making angle COD equals to 40 degree at the center. All these four chords are given equal to each other. We have to find out reflex angle COG. COG, this is angle COG, internal angle. We have to find out its reflex angle. To find out the reflex of angle COG, first we will calculate the internal angle COG and we will subtract that angle from 360 degree to calculate its reflex angle. Now we know, according to a theorem, equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. Therefore, all these four chords are equal to each other. One of the chord is making angle 40 degree at the center. Therefore, all these remaining three equal chords will also make central angle as 40 degree, because equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. So, 40, 40, 40 and 40. The sum of all these four angles will become 4 into 40, which is equals to 160 degree. So, to find out the reflex angle of angle COG, we will subtract this 160 degree from 360 degree, which is equals to 200 degree. So, this 200 degree is reflex angle COG.